The Colorado Attorney General's office says it saw a spike in safe-to-tell reports in September of this year compared with September of last year. The AG's office says it saw a 74% jump, with the increase fueled by a rise in school threats and safety concerns. However, the most common report remains suicide. Safe-to-tell saw 354 reports concerning suicide, 305 for bullying, and 253 regarding school safety concerns. This report highlights an ongoing issue in our state surrounding mental health, especially among kids and teens. And after the pandemic, students returning to the classroom struggled with mental health, and community leaders looking for ways to help them started a program called Team Strong. News 5's Piper Vaughn spoke with a student who shares how this program is helping him every day. Piper.
Yeah, Doherty High School is a part of Team Strong. The program started in the Springs and was made to help children build their resilience and help them with depression and anxiety. I went to the high school and spoke with students and faculty to see the impacts how this program is helping students with their mental health. Tanner Merrifield is a junior at Doherty High School who says he struggled during the pandemic when he couldn't be in class in person.
The way everything was shut down, it immediately felt like, oh, every communication's almost closed off. So just like acknowledging, I guess, one another is what got hard.
Tanner says he felt the need to be perfect, but he's better able to handle his stress when things don't go as expected now, thanks to teachers who have received special training. Angelo Sapienza is the band director at Doherty High School. He tells me how he used a Team Strong program to help band members to help them cope after not placing how they wanted to in a band competition.
We had gotten so far and we were ready to make history, and we missed the mark by an inescapably frustrating small amount. I remember bringing the band in. It's like, this does not define you. And yes, it stings, but I'm so proud of the work that you've done.
He tells me that this program is something he wishes he had in school.
My hope is that programs like Becoming Your Personal Best, programs like GRIT, like Team Strong, give kids that seed of I'm enough sooner. Because I think about who I could have been had I had that information at a younger age.
If he could go back, Tanner has a message for his younger self.
I think I would definitely tell myself that it gets better and don't give up trying to do things with people or finding a connection with other people. I think that was one of the biggest things that the pandemic made difficult.
Team Strong is now planning to move to school districts across the state. Their goal, launching the program worldwide. Any school can participate in Team Strong. For more information, head to KOAA.com. Piper Vaughn, News 5.
Piper, thank you. Earlier this month, we also received a report from the Youth Risk Behavior Surveillance System with some causes linked to poor mental health in high school students. One of those was social media use. According to the report, there is a relationship between repeated social media use and increased bullying or hopelessness and suicide risk among students. It found in 2023 more than 75% of students reported frequent social media use, and nearly 30% reported social media use more than once an hour. The report recommends parents and caregivers protect their adolescents' mental health by promoting good nutrition, better sleep, physical activity, and limiting their time on social media. Free access to licensed therapists is available for children and teens in our state. It's called the I Matter program. It started in 2021 after the pandemic, and this year, Colorado lawmakers extended funding for the program through 2034. I Matter provides up to 6 free virtual therapy sessions for children. They can take a short survey through the website imatter.org to get connected to a therapist. If a child is under 11, a parent has to complete that survey. If you or someone you know is struggling with suicidal thoughts or other mental health crises, there's a 24/7 national hotline you can call. Just pick up the phone and dial 988.